Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the Filmora video editing series. In this video, we will see how to blur the background in any video using Filmora 11. Now, this is a sample video on which we are going to work in this video. Let me play the video first. So this is the original video and you will see the background here. Now we are going to blur the background of this video and let me show you how the final video will look like. So this is the final video in which we have blurred the background of the video. So let me play the final video. And here you will see the blur effect in the background. In one of the previous video, I have shown you how to remove or change the background in any video. So this is the video in which we have changed the background. We have removed the background and after that we have changed the background. I'll give you the link in the description box. You can watch that video also. So let's see how we can use the effects and blur the background of any video using Filmora 11. So here I'm on the dashboard of the Filmora video editing tool and I'm using Filmora 11. Now here I have one stock video. I'm going to use this video. So let's drag it and drop it on the timeline. So this is the original video and we are going to blur the background of this video. Go to effects and search for blur. Now here you will see the option square blur. Drag it and drop it here just above the main video. So increase the length of the blur effect to match the length of the actual video. Now here you will see the blur has been added to this video. Now you can increase the blur size here. Let's use 6. Now let's go back to the media again and drag and drop the same video here just above the blur effect. So now here the blur is not applied to the top video. So we have the same video here at the top. Now let's go back to the effects again. Now under effects, go to video effects and under that you will see AI portrait. And here you will see the option human segmentation. So this is the effect that we are going to use to the top video. Now drag it and drop it on the video itself. So we have this human segmentation effect on the video itself, not above the video. It should be on the video itself. Now what this effect will do, it will take only the human part of this top video. So I'm going to play it now. Now here you will see that the human is focused and the background is blurred. Now if I disable this blur effect, you will see the background here. Now let me enable the blur effect again. So this blur effect, the square blur effect is applied on the first video and the human segmentation effect is applied on the top video. So this is how using two effects you can blur the background of any video using Filmora 11. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.